I know deep up my feelings for you.
Welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, my good people. Welcome back to your #1 channel and home for latest news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green country, so maybe Nigeria. And as usual, Reality Latest now don't come with another latest. We now don't come with breaking news. We don't come with updates. We don't come with reports where the general public guys they aware about. And the cocoa now be say the Edo State Commissioner for Information and Communications. This country person they go by the name Paul Ohumbamo. He now don't come outside the yarn say Governor Monday Okpebholo of Edo State they steer the state toward greater heights through the execution of capital intensive and people focused projects. In the yarn say Senator Monday Okpebholo they carry Edo State they go where nice, they carry Edo State they go where men go enjoy last. On Thursday will be the 10th day of April, so for inside this year will be 2025. Oga Paul the yarn they give men for inside Benin City, Edo State and men for inside we nation Nigeria. Say the increasing defection of prominent politicians from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressive Congress now a very clear endorsement of the transformation agenda being implemented by the administration of Senator Monday Okpebholo. I now consider yarn say as the 2027 general elections they approach, Edo State All Progressive Congress and their leader will be Senator Monday Okpebholo they gain momentum with strong support from opposition members and well-meaning residents of Edo State. He now consider yarn say they very much crucial for Edo people to prioritize the political and social economic development of the state, especially in light of what they describe as 8 years of underdevelopment under the previous leadership. And that normally now the administration of Sir Godwin Obaseki. Oga Paul will be the Edo State Commissioner for Information and Communications. Constantly last they call on political leaders to engage in door-to-door sensitization campaigns across the 3 senatorial districts to sustain the benefits of the state's growing relationship with the federal government. In the yarn say the ruling All Progressive Congress go dislodge other political parties for inside we nation Nigeria, with Governor Monday Okpebholo at the helm of affairs as the 2027 general election they draw closer for continuity's sake. I consider yarn say make men give their full support for the re-election of our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for inside the year 2027, so as to bring more development and real dividends of democracy to Edo State and other states of we nation Nigeria. Instead then get confidence in the capacity of our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to transform this our green country. He say men now need to pray and support Governor Monday Okpebholo government, which is very much determined to ensure greater Edo. Last Oga Paul Konde yarn say with the unity where they currently they reign for inside the Edo State chapter of the All Progressive Congress, them now are very much ready for victory for inside the 2027 general elections. And now onto this informate, my good people. It go good make men know say now their right to choose who they want vote for, and it go good make men know very well say this politics matter no be about power, no be about men who dey for the government, but last now about the people. So as a country person, it go good make you use your voters card to choose votes for who will bring nice things to a nation Nigeria. Vote for who will bring change come with Edo State. No go sell your votes and at the end of the day you go come dey cry say things hard for the country, things hard for the state. But now you collect the money and you put them for back of your pocket, then you can't go vote for the candidate. Now you don't dey complain, now you can't dey cry. So to avoid those kind of levels for inside the year 2027, it go good make men vote for genuine candidates of their choice. And it go good make it be say that your candidates now where you don't plaster for your mind, na person wey go through bring change, na person wey go through do nice things for inside we nation Nigeria. And last you go come do the things wey go benefit the lifestyle of Edo State people. But no matter the matter, anyhow the matter be for body, drop the matter inside our comments section. Meanwhile, me still get another report for table where I still need share give the general public, and the cocoa be say the Edo State government now don dey assure men for inside Edo State say all the illegally acquired farmlands by some companies for inside Edo State go last be revoked. That is those companies now wey use mago means they acquire farmland then for inside Edo State. Time go reach, they will collect those farmland back because now through mago means that they take collect them. Because now through mago means now they take acquire the land. The Edo State Deputy Governor will be Honorable Dennis Edausa. Now they give this assurance for inside Benin City, Edo State on Thursday. Maybe the 10th day of April for this year, so maybe 2025. And whether in assurance now strong past the way Davido give Choma, nobody know. But we know very well, say this in assurance so in dey drop and dey give Edo State people when he receive members of the Association of Cocoa Farmers. And na from there now men come dey yarn say some of the farmlands now men acquire am through proxies, men acquire am through happy and way. But last my good people, for inside statement now by his chief press secretary, the deputy governor dey assure the general public, dey assure men for inside Edo State say due process will be followed in retrieving such lands and returning them to their rightful owners. Make men no worry at all, make them do the cans because their land go last come back to them. Any Jagoda person now wey don use Jagoda means they acquire the land, their days are very much numbered. The deputy governor dey specifically give accolade to members of the association from Ovia Southwest and Ovia Northeast local government areas of Edo State for being law-abiding despite the challenges wey they face. And now after every, the deputy governor of Edo State, to be Senator Dennis Edaosa, come dey reaffirm. He na come dey yarn dey give men for inside Edo State the campaign promises wey Senator Okpebholo don promise to farmers. He na dey yarn say last, the welfare of farmers dey remain a top priority for the government. And Senator Okpebholo dey plan to make Edo State one of the biggest states in agricultural development. Senator Okpebholo wants make e be say when they mention states now wey come board when it comes to agriculture, they go mention Edo State. Oga Dennis Edaosa now constantly remind the men for inside Edo State say they don campaign in all 18 local government areas of the state, and the governor is well aware of farmers, their socio-economic contributions to their communities and to the state at large. And sake of say the men now they pay their taxes regularly to the state government, they no go allow anybody to take away their land or deny them their rightful benefits. And no be say na cho. Very soon now them go see the evidence, them go know very well say the government they true take necessary steps. Them now they do the needful. Them now they do things to minimize farmers and herders their clashes, and they are doing everything possible to ensure the security of their citizens. And before now, my good people, you know say the cocoa farmers led by Mr. Bello Osaretin, them now be the yarn say some civil servants from the Ministry of Agriculture and Food Security, they go collaborate with Chinese nationals them to sell the Ohosu and Okumu forest reserves. Oga Bello now the yarn say over 40 major communities where they currently occupied by farmers for inside Ovia Southwest, time go reach, they no go dey exist if the present administration fail to intervene. If the present administration no do nice, if they no do the needful, things go worse for many farmers. And if things bad for farmers, it go last bad for Edo State people. But no matter the matter, my good people, anyhow the informate be you for body, or if you be say get contributions about this very particular topic, so no let anybody or anything stop or even intimidate you. Feel free make it drop your comments inside our comment section. Once again, now we be reality latest gist, and now we dey like give on our latest news on politics and many other cocoa with the sup. And don't forget, try make you dey share the news, give your family and friends, make them too they know wetin dey sup for inside the nation Nigeria and for inside Edo State. Now me dey come back with more reports, me dey come back with more news, and me dey come back with more informate for you, my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.